Yorko.
ये चेस का क्रेज क्यों उतर नहीं रहा है टीमों के सर से? रोज कोई ना कोई टीम टॉस जीतता है, चेस करता है और मैच हार जाता है। क्या है इसके पीछे राज?
इसके पीछे राज तो मुझे नहीं पता, बट इतना मुझे पता है कि पंजाब was not in a position to lose this match. At the end of 15 overs, Mumbai was just 105. From there, they leaked runs, 89 runs after that. And they have done that in every single match that they have lost. First match when they lost, they gave away 64 runs. Their second match that they lost, basically, they gave away 86 runs. Today, 89 runs. Like they're trying to break their own records. Mohammad Shami can bowl Yorkers. Why are you bowling short? Short and to Hardik Pandya, you're bowling short and wide outside the off stump. Your third man, your point fielders are up. He will not hit you. Any tail ender would hit you. Forget about Hardik Pandya. And Shami was actually lucky that that didn't go for a 6. Then at the end of the he bowled 2-3 Yorkers. Then again he bowled short to Pollard. There was no deep mid wicket. There is no deep mid wicket. There is no deep square leg, and you are bowling a short ball. And then a full toss. Full toss. I will still say that you were trying to bowl a Yorker. It turned into a full toss. I would still forgive you for that. What are you doing bowling short? And then Krishnappa Gautam was supposed to dart the ball to their leg. Absolutely to their feet, not their leg. But he failed to do that over and over again. Now coming to Rahul's captaincy, I will see Cottrell. I understand got hit in the 17th or 18th over when Tivatia went crazy. But you have to remember Cottrell is an international bowler. He's not a domestic bowler. Krishnappa Gautam can be the best bowler in domestic. Still, he's a domestic bowler and he's a spinner. And
Correct.
Today, Cottrell, the third point here is Cottrell was on song today. Not every day does people have such good days. You bowl him 3 overs up front. Then you know that actually in the initial stages of Rohit's innings, Rohit is vulnerable against spin. You could have got Gautam and Bishnoi from both the ends and attacked. Okay, you wanted to bowl Cottrell, bowl 2 overs of Cottrell in the first part, in the first 6 overs, and then keep him for death overs. Death overs bowlers, when you are leaking runs in death overs, is Nisham and Krishnappa Gautam. Really? And there's one more thing I have seen in the attitude of Rahul, the captain. When things go right for him, he's all charged up and all that. The moment it starts going wrong, the first shoulder that droops on the ground is Rahul's. If your captain's shoulder drops, if his face starts looking grave, then how on earth will the bowlers, Bishnoi is very young. Krishnappa Gautam can be matured, but at the domestic levels, when he is bowling to Rohit Sharma, when he is bowling to Kieron Pollard, you need to talk to him. In the last over also, Rahul didn't go up and speak to Gautam.
When you have players like Pollard and Hardik who are such good hard hitters, I will give them credit also because they put those balls away with 230 plus strike rate, and that's why the run went to 190 odd. So first of all, there was bad captaincy. Second of all, there was extremely good death over batting. And Trisha, here I want to ask you something.
Yeah.
हार के जीतने वालों को क्या कहते हैं?
बाजीगर.
करेक्ट. और बैकफुट पे जाके खुद के टीम को फ्रंट फुट के में लाने का नाम है रोहित शर्मा. बिकॉज रिमेंबर अगेंस्ट केकेआर, टकाटक बैकफुट में ही इज गोइंग एंड हिटिंग बॉल स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट ऑन द ऑफ साइड एवरीवेयर. So easy on the eyes. Going back, cutting the balls against the spinners. Obviously, if it is short, he is pulling the balls. Obviously, he played front foot shots also. But whenever Rohit plays a big innings, Mumbai always win. It's like having a dessert at night. It's that kind of a pleasure it gives Rohit's batting. And today also, like we have been talking every day, Rohit is someone who is a master of pacing his innings. In the initial 20 balls, his strike rate will be around 120 max. But at the end, when he'll finish the innings, just like today, his strike rate is over 150. And this pitch was not that great to bat on. They needed a foundation. Deacock got out again. Surya Kumar got out. Ishan Kishan was not going great guns today. He was really struggling. He ended up with a strike rate below 100. But still, because Rohit gave that platform to you in the initial overs, Kyron Pollard and Hardik Pandya came in and slogged it out and took the score to the next level.
The cherry on the cake obviously was the MI bowling. But it's a
Correct.
little weird. The trend in itself, be it Bumrah, be it Pattinson, they have this weird trend of having one off day and then
Correct.
being the next day they come back and bowl really well. The ball that Bumrah bowled to Mayank, I think that wicket, like Mayank's wicket, was the most crucial one. I feel because that dented
Hmm.
Punjab's run rate. And even Pattinson, he came up and he was bowling really well, especially
Correct.
because Puran had actually put him under a lot of pressure. He had started attacking, but he kept his cool and he bowled fuller, wider, got Puran's wicket. Uh, but I think the star of the day you have to say is Rahul Chahar. Forget
Yeah.
about KL Rahul's wicket. That was completely KL Rahul's fault. But Rahul Chahar was ripping the ball really well. You know, the
Hmm.
revolutions, the turn, the way it was leaving, absolutely beautiful. Another bowler you have to mention, Krunal Pandya. He came to bowl in the power play, 3 overs, Punjab going great guns, fourth over, Krunal bowls just 4 runs. They didn't even
Correct.
try to attack him. And I
Yeah.
think Maxwell couldn't read Chahar at all. Like he was
No.
absolutely confused. By the way, I want
Totally.
to tell our viewers when we are talking about Chahar, it's Rahul. Naam to suna hi hoga na. Not Deepak Chahar.
There are too many Rahuls in IPL this
I
year.
know, man.
And truly today, once Rahul, that KL Rahul,
Yeah,
Mayank got out, it's just like their middle order collapsed. Because see, Karun Nair is a walking wicket now. I don't know why they are keeping
why
on
is he
playing him.
playing?
Maybe because Anil Kumble is from Karnataka and he is from Karnataka, because he is not contributing at all.
True,
This is a big
true.
statement, I know. Then Nicholas Puran also getting off to good starts, not converting them. And my biggest disappointment is Maxwell. Just look at his stance. There's a saying that when nothing is broken, don't try to mend it. His stance was
Absolutely.
okay at first. I
What
can't.
is that
I
stance?
don't.
Please
I
define that stance for me.
I don't even have words to define. First of all, that stance is only good if the ball is on your middle or leg stump. You can open up and hit on the leg side. But once the bowler's ball off stump or fifth stump line outside off stump, you have to reach it and you can't reach it with that stance. Okay. Secondly, he is catching his bat with his open face. The face is open, like it's towards point or gully. And whenever he's hitting like a sliced bat. Like his face is always like this. When he is hitting with the open, slightly faced open bat, it's going up. Just like when he hit the ball
Absolutely.
today, he hit the ball and it went up instead of going flat to the boundary. So nothing is helping. This I don't know how he got runs in the England Australia series with this stance. He was applying this stance only, but I genuinely feel that this stance is only good for maybe 2 or 3 balls if you want to surprise the bowler, but not for the whole uh, tournament.
But Orgo, that's the problem with Maxwell's stance, and that everyone is noticing. But what is everyone's stance on us? Like we have been putting up videos.
पता नहीं.
Please let us know when you for letting us know your stance on us. Please comment on our YouTube channel and on Facebook. You can also comment on Insta. It's not like you can't comment there. Also, you have to like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. As of now, we will leave.